evolution of Head First goes back to roots in my son, an orthopedic surgeon. He began to educate me about the importance of how head injury could be important for the future of athletes. And I thought, what a great opportunity to be able to educate people about the prevention of head injuries and or the kind of care they needed in order to have their head injury treated.
My name is Dr. Tony Doran, pediatric neuropsychologist, program manager for Head First. How'd you bonk your head? LaCroix? Yeah. Okay. You never know what type of head injury is going to walk into right time, going to walk into Head First. Hey, Rachel.
Hi. Nice to meet you.
The types of patients we see every day are from age 2 to 99. The three most common injuries are motor vehicle accidents, slips and falls, and bike accidents, not wearing a helmet. I love helping people move from having a traumatic brain injury to completely recovered from a traumatic brain injury. And I have a great team at Head First that helps me do that.
We utilize our right time urgent care services and hours as the front end, as you might say, to head trauma. And all of our providers are trained to evaluate head trauma with mild traumatic brain injury in mind. And if that diagnosis is made, then we can very quickly see them and care for them in our Head First program. As the program has grown, the diversity of patients that we see has grown as well. Infants, school-age children, middle-aged patients, and elderly patients get head trauma and get concussions.
Watch me for the last one. An urgent care setting might be just the right home for treating traumatic brain injuries.
We're on course to see one of the largest populations of head-injured people in the country, and we'll be able to take care of most of them in our Head First concussion clinics.
Can I give you a high five?
Thank you.
All right.
All right, well, thank you.